Shahi Mutton Kofta. As Eid al-Adha is just around the corner, I'm delighted to share a royal recipe. Experience the majesty of Mughal cooking with this amazing and easy Shahi Mutton Kofta recipe, where tender meatballs meet the golden essence of saffron and the nutty flavor of almond paste in a rich, velvety gravy. A true showstopper and a culinary masterpiece that's sure to impress your family and friends. Let's make it. Bismillah. 250 grams of ground goat meat, handful of cilantro, 3 to 5 green chilies, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, small piece of ginger, about 1 teaspoon. Half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon crushed coriander seeds, half teaspoon cumin powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon garam masala powder, 1/8 teaspoon crushed black pepper, about 2 tablespoons of red onion. Grind all ingredients in chopper or in food processor until well combined. Make about 10 to 12 small meatballs. For gravy, about 1 cup of yogurt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, or according to your preference, quarter teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of crushed coriander seeds, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, about 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger, quarter cup of fried onions, 1 big tomato, with skin or without skin according to your preference. Blend all together until turned into smooth liquid. Set aside. Now take these ingredients. Handful of almonds, 3 cloves, 1-inch piece of cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, pinch of cumin seeds, 1 small star anise. Grind all together in spice grinder until turned into fine powder. Add few strands of saffron. In a wide pan, add quarter cup of cooking oil. Add almond and saffron mixture. Sauté for few minutes on medium heat and add yogurt mixture. Add 1 cup of water. Mix and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Add meatballs. Without stirring spoon, cover the pan. And cook for 15 minutes on medium to low heat. After 15 minutes, remove the lid. Check the gravy. If consistency is perfect for your preference, then turn off the heat. Note: always wash the meat, let it dry, then mince it. Otherwise, meatballs will not hold the shape. If using washed ground meat, then add some binding agent like bread crumbs, bread slice, boiled rice, egg, or chickpea flour. If you like this recipe, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe for upcoming recipes. Garnish with chopped cilantro. Serve with roti or chapati. Enjoy. Wishing you all a joyous and delicious Eid, and thanks for watching.